Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Learning with Zargull. Hope all of you are fine and well. In this video, I'll tell you about how to take care of our teeth and ways to protect our teeth. Taking care of our teeth. Teeth help us to cut, tear, and chew food. When we eat, food particles get stuck in the gaps between our teeth. These food particles need to be removed. If teeth are not cleaned properly, germs can grow on them and form a yellow sticky layer called plaque. These germs change the sugar present in food particles into an acid. This acid attacks the enamel and makes a hole called cavity. When the cavity reaches the pulp, the tooth starts paining. Tooth decay results in bad breath, toothache, and indigestion. Ways to protect our teeth. Brush your teeth twice a day in the morning and at night. Clean both the inner and outer surface of teeth properly. Brush the upper teeth downwards and lower teeth upwards. Brush the chewing surface of premolars and molars. Rinse your mouth after every meal with water to remove food particles stuck between teeth. Avoid eating too many chocolates, sweets, and sticky food. Eat fruits and raw vegetables like carrot and radish and drink milk every day for healthy teeth. Visit a dentist in every 6 months. Hope you like this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.